What's up friends, Andrew here. In this video, I'm going to show you how to install Higgsfield AI on your Windows PC or laptop. All you have to do is open up your browser and type in Higgsfield.ai. And once you're on the web page, just go ahead and look on the upper part of your screen where you have the address bar towards the right. You will see a little icon that says install Higgsfield. If you click on that, you can see right here that you can install it as an app on your computer. Another way how to do that is to, if you click the three dots on the upper right, for example, in Chrome or any other browser, you need to find those settings section and you will be able to find where it says cast, save, and share, or it will basically give you the option to install. So let's say you hover over cast, save, and share. You can see it says install Xfeel right here. Let me show you in the browser. So I'm going to just copy the URL right here and let's choose, for example, Edge. You open up Microsoft Edge on your computer and you just simply go ahead and type in Xfield AI. Now you will be taken over to this web page. And notice you will see on the upper part as well that says install Xfield. As you can see, it shows apps right here, apps available, and you can click here and it's going to give you the option to install it. And this is going to allow you to install it on your PC. And again, if you click the three dots right here, you will also have the option in the list where it allows you to install. So you just want to go down to where it says more tools and hover over that. And here in the list, you will find apps. Once you hover over that, you will see it says install Xfeel. And so whichever option you choose, you go ahead and click on install and it will install it on your PC. So I'm going to go ahead and go back to the Google Chrome version here and just click on this option here at the top and click on install. And right away, you will see it install on my PC. Now, if I minimize this as well and even close, you can see that it's on my desktop as an app. I can double click and I can open it and run Xfeel on my PC or laptop. Or even if I don't have it there, I can click Windows key on my keyboard or taskbar and I can just simple type in Higgsfield and you will see that it's there on my computer as an app. I can open it as well. And that's it. Very easy and very simple.